When it comes to folding a bandsaw blade, what is the biggest problem or the biggest challenge? It is not the technique, that's for sure. I'm going to show you this in just a second. No, the biggest problem is that you don't do it often enough. And every time you need to know how to fold it, you just pull out your phone, go to YouTube, and find a video that shows you how to do that. But I promise you, this is the last video you ever need to see, because there's only one thing that you ever need to remember: how to fold the blade. I'm going to show it to you now. First, put off some gloves because you want to protect your fingers. So hold your bandsaw blade, bring it in U shape, tilt it in, and it is done. So everything I want you to remember is just the U shape. I'll show you again. Get your blade, bring it in that U shape, fold both sides in, and it is done. It works for smaller blades, it works for bigger blades as well. I checked that. It might need some more practice with longer blades, but it works the same. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, write a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.